165Hz high refresh rate screen, 88W full power performance, and a 92WH super large battery. Whether it's heavy office work, content creation, or light gaming, it can handle it all with ease. Today, let's talk about this all-around champion and see if it's worth buying. First, let's look at the appearance. Honor has gone for a minimalist business style this time. The body is made of metal, which has a delicate texture and is scratch resistant. The one in front of us is in starry gray, which is understated yet sophisticated. Whether you're a student or a working professional, you can handle it. The 16-inch screen is large, but the body isn't bulky. It fits easily into a backpack for everyday use, and it's also comfortable to wear for business trips or commutes. The details are very thoughtful. The edges of the C side are slightly curved, so it won't feel uncomfortable when typing for a long time.
For those who frequently perform data analysis and financial work, input efficiency is maximized. The interface is also incredibly comprehensive, featuring Thunderbolt 4, a full-featured USB-C port, dual USB 8 ports, HDMI, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. External displays, USB flash drives, keyboards, and mice are all included, eliminating the need for extra accessories and making daily use much more convenient. The screen is undoubtedly one of the laptop's core highlights. A 16-inch LCD screen with a resolution of 3072 by 1920 and a 16:10 aspect ratio, coupled with an ultra-narrow 2.5mm bezel and a screen-to-body ratio of up to 93%, maximizing visual immersion. More importantly, it supports a 165Hz high refresh rate, ensuring smooth page scrolling and window switching without any ghosting. The picture quality is clear and smooth when watching videos, and even when playing demanding PC games, the visuals are fluid and lag-free. The ultra-low 3 milliseconds response time also reduces ghosting. In terms of eye protection, it goes all out, directly featuring the same AI defocus eye protection technology and comfortable display technology as Honor phones. It supports natural light eye protection and has obtained TV Rhineland flicker-free certification and TV Rhineland hardware low blue light certification. Even after long hours of office work and video editing, the eyes are less prone to dryness and fatigue, making it very friendly to creators and students who often work late into the night. In terms of performance, it's top of the line, equipped with the 3rd generation Intel Core Ultra processor across the entire series, from RH5 to the top-of-the-line Ultra X9. The top-of-the-line version can even achieve a full power performance release of 88 watts. The most impressive feature is 32GB LPDDR5X memory and 1TB SSD, all standard across the entire series. Memory read, write, copy, and input are all above 100,000 megabytes per second, especially the write speed, which has exceeded 117 gigabytes per second. For those who may not have a concept, simply put, it's like having 10 browser tabs open, 3 WeChat accounts running, and a simple project running simultaneously. Even when switching between Photoshop windows for image editing, the process remains smooth and lag-free, with no crashes or lag. Multitasking capabilities are maximized. Features like Honor's TrapX technology and intelligent internal cooling system ensure stable performance, while maximizing heat dissipation. Fan noise is minimal, almost negligible, even under heavy load. The integrated graphics performance is also impressive, easily outperforming the B390 high-performance GPU, and it can smoothly run everyday AAA games. Amateur gamers don't need to buy a separate gaming laptop. Fast charging also eliminates battery anxiety for thin and light laptops. The MagicBook Pro 16 features a built-in 92W high-capacity battery, with a combined battery life of up to 15.3 hours, more than enough for daily office work and a full day's use. Travelers don't need to search for outlets. Fast charging is also excellent. Paired with a 100W potassium nitride charger, it can charge to 51% in 30 minutes, enough to fully recharge in the time it takes to drink a cup of coffee. The voice experience also exceeded expectations. The built-in 6-speaker system includes 4 woofers and 2 tweeters, supporting spatial audio and dynamic immersive sound fields. Whether you're having a video conference, listening to music, or watching a movie, the sound is full, 3-dimensional, and has an excellent atmosphere. You can enjoy good music without external speakers. And to be who can make my life comprehensive. Of course, what I like most is the AI desktop support for one-click interface style switching, and the intelligent assistant for convenient local and cloud content searching. The AI interaction experience is more intelligent and efficient. This is what AIS should be like on a computer. Overall, the Honor MagicBook Pro 16 is a large screen, lightweight laptop with almost no shortcomings. It boasts a standard 32GB RAM plus 1TB storage, a 165Hz high refresh rate screen, 88W full power performance, and 92W long battery life. Every aspect precisely meets the needs of heavy office workers, content creators, and large screen enthusiasts. Currently, it's available in China for 6,960 renminbi, starting at 9 renminbi and 15 cents. This price is extremely cost-effective compared to competing products with similar configurations, making it the king of large screen, lightweight laptops in 2026. If you want an all-around laptop that balances performance, screen quality, battery life, and portability, this is definitely worth considering.